What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight, good whatever it is, wherever you are on air. It's your boy again this evening, David, live from my FX studio. And here this evening, I just want to analyze some of the things that I want to analyze. Is EU Stocks 50 CFD? You understand? So I've analyzed this market for more than 5 months or 6 months ago. I drew all this trend line and we've been following it. You understand? And it's doing exactly as I forecasted. So take a look at it right now. I drew this I drew all this, and it's me and my team, me and my oh sorry, please people, sorry. I always I always get it mixed up sometimes. So here's what I'm saying. Me and my team, we analyzed the market with our price action statistics, and we concluded that the market is an uptrending market. You understand? So we give it a crossway in this very part that it might crossway, but it's still an uptrending market which is raging at the moment. You understand? The bearish are trying to the sellers are trying to sell, but the buyer's strength is far more stronger than the seller's demand. You get it? So the market is trying to rage, you understand, which is really beautiful. This is a thing of beauty, you understand. So should I say that I should analyze this market this year? Let me see, who do I give it to? Let me see. Okay, this is February 13. Let me see, January. Okay, this market started, it opened back in January 22, January 2, 2020, and it went all the way rampantly. The sellers seriously sell. I believe they sold around the pandemic era. This February 21st, they start selling from February 20. They sold. The strength of the bearish lasted since February 20 till March 17th. You understand? So this is more than a month. You get it? This is more than a month, and the market keep. No, this is a month. Sorry, it's a month. And the market keep raging and keep raging. The buyers are, the bearish, the bullish, the buyers are trying to get their strength back, which they were able to get to some extent. You get it? They were able to get it. So it's like a slow, it's like the market is trying to meet up with the sellers, with the sellers strength, but it was very, very slow. You understand? It was very, very slow. There are many trade wars, that went around within these very dates that the market pick up back, which is March 19, 2020. And it start climbing. It start climbing. It start going up. It start going bullish, and the buyers are still fighting. The sellers are still fighting it, but it wasn't strong enough. So before you know what's going on, the buyers, they start climbing up. But right now, the sellers are trying to change the direction of the market, which I don't see changing any moment from now. The market is still going to go up a little bit, then we'll restructure the way that we analyze, the technical, the fault of the market, the statistics, the price action, the candle speaks. You understand? But all this candle that is speaking, I don't see the strength of the market. I don't see the sellers selling much. I see the buyers winning. You understand? So the market is an uptrend market. Please, people, before we continue, I forgot to say, please, I really appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, click on the notification button on all of my social media pages: Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. I really appreciate it. Please, your boy needs your support. I really appreciate it if you could do this for me. So people, let's get down to business. Let's keep it up as we do. You understand? So to me, if I'm to give this market a percentage, you understand, because there was a very, very serious war within this very side and up till this very place. So should I want to give this market a rate, I want to give it a percentage, what will I give it? What will I give it? What will I give it? Okay, right now I will call it 55-45. You understand? Because the buyers are trying to catch up with the market back, and the market opened in January, and it tried to like restructurize. You understand? The buyers, the sellers sold so wild, and the market went so down. You understand? The market went so down, and so down deep as well. You understand? But the buyers are still able. We are still able to like dominate the market, which is a very good thing. You get it? So the market keep climbing up. So should they say I should give this market a ranking? Just like I said, I'm gonna give it 55, 45. No, I'm gonna give it 50. Like 51.49. You understand? This is what I'm gonna give it. So this market start climbing up, but right now, as I analyze the market, I told you, if I look at the new candle now that is open. This new candle that is open, I don't see it going down much, but I see it reversing back up. You get it? So this is the new candle for the new day. I see this candle reversing back up, but let's see what will happen. Like me, I'm not saying that if you want to trade what I trade, well, it's up to you. But this is what I'm saying in this market as it is like this. What a price action told me, and my fellow my fellow my fellow statistics and price action analysts together, what this market is saying to us is that this market is an uptrending market. You get it? It might fight it a little bit slow, but it's a market that is really going up. So this year, I'll give this very market, I'll give the buyers, I'll give the sellers, I'll give them like 51%, and I'll give the buyers 49%. You understand? Because it's yet to catch up it's yet to balance with the bullish side of it. You understand? It's yet to balance. The buyers, the bullish is yet to balance with the bearish side of it. You understand? So when it balance with the open of the year, I hope it balanced before the year runs out. You understand? When it balances with the open of the year, then the market might take a new direction. You understand? Be it bearish, be it bullish, I don't know yet, but the candlestick will speak for the future of this market. For example, all these candlestick, everything that this one is indicating is that this market is still climbing up. You understand? There are a lot of decision in this candle from this very place, from on the 11th of November, up to this present moment on the 18th of December, which is like 1 month, 6 working days. You understand? So it's trying to tell us a different language, a different scenario, but I can guarantee you that this market is an uptrending market. You understand? Because many things were said within this candlestick to all these candlesticks. Many things were said in this place, and should you do a technical analysis and some price action analysis from the past, from the beginning of the year up to this moment, that the market is still an uptrending market. You understand? So to me, this is why I said I would give it 51.49. You understand? 51 for the bearish, 49 for the bullish. You understand? So from what I can see, I don't know what you see in the market, but please feel free to let me know what you see in the market. Please let me know what your own analysis is going to be, how you see it, what do you think is going to happen in the market, which would be very much better, which I would very much love to hear your own opinion. So people, this is what I would say. I see this market going up, or it might be climbing up slowly, but it's an uptrending market. So people, please, I really appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, click on the notification button on all of my social media pages, just like I said, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. I really appreciate it. And people, trade safe, trade wise, don't be greedy. God help us all. See you in my next video. Have a good one.
Be humble. Really, no matter what you have, you can be a very powerful person, a very wealthy person, a very popular person, a very good-looking person. You can be whatever. But you need to be humble. People will love you when you're down to earth, when you are a normal human being like everyone else.